What's up everybody, in this video I will show you how to fix sound problem on Star Trek game. To fix this problem, just you should follow and watch this video till the end. Open first your settings of your mobile phone. Click next on your apps option and search for Star Trek and click. Here guys, scroll this list down. Click on storage, click clear cache. And now back, click at force stop and click OK. So come here to Play Store or App Store, update Star Trek, restart your device, and that's all. Don't forget to like and subscribe and